Yo,
Yo,
what's
what's
up? We are in Denpasar city today. We're gonna show you a little bit about Denpasar, how it looks, and also the traditional market Badung.
Yeah, we will go to we are in the biggest market actually
This is
in
actually the
Denpasar
biggest
in Bali,
market.
the biggest market. And then this one, as you see behind us, that is the river under the biggest traditional
Yes,
market.
and it's very renovated now. It's actually very
Oh,
nice,
yeah,
like in
and
the
this
modern city. So as you can see, Denpasar, there is the Denpasar, Kota Denpasar and bridge, river, under the market. And there are some old buildings over here. They are part of market. They are clothes. That's how it looks. The old town of Denpasar. That's a very old buildings. Also some kids or people chilling over there. You have now the tables and you can chill, come. Very nice. Yes, honey?
Yeah, it's very nice. Look at the mural arts also there.
Oh yeah, it's the mural. I even check this out. Very nice.
And you see that buildings, it's typically old buildings, you know, like in the design of European style or something.
Yeah. They also have a mural here, like International Conference of Euro-Asia World Heritage Cities. Interesting.
So as we see that there are two different markets. On the right side, it's called Pasar Kumbasari. It's still closed. Actually, that Kumbasari market is like, you know, art market, like selling the arts. But on the right side here, this is a Pasar Badung.
This building over there, we'll
We
show
will go
you.
there and shopping.
Also here some kids playing around on this floaty bridge. Not so bad place for playing actually. Check this out, happy Denpasar kids. And we're gonna go now to the market, honey, yes?
Let's go.
Let's go. So if you are interested from the market, you have to come down somewhere here and there is the main building of market. As you can see, Saturday morning and the traffic is already quite going to be busy. So that's the back side of the market, Pasar Badung, which is the fruit, veg and every stuff like this, food. That's how you carry your shopping. Down there is the river and Pasar Kumbasari, where it's like a big complex of the traditional market, the biggest market in Bali so far. So last time we make a vlog actually inside the building, this building over here, but today we want to show you how it looks live around and also some shopping. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
There will be some shopping. Our chimney over here, this is the main gate to the pasar. It looks actually very nice because it was renovated years ago also, but here are already the buildings and shopping. This is like an old city on Denpasar, you know, a very traditional place. Like a small street over here. And now it's early morning and it's Saturday, so many shops are closed, but in general it's very busy over here. Check this out. And also don't forget about loud bikes. This is the traditional guy who is bringing stuff. Very hard-working person, and this is the Jalan Sulawesi.
So this is called Jalan Sulawesi. Jalan Sulawesi is famous for textile center. So if you want to buy clothes for your sarong, kebaya, this is the center. As you see, this two shop just open, but when it's, you know, about a bit more afternoon, will be like everywhere about clothes shop.
We have to trespass the street. I hope so. We're not gonna die. You know how's the people driving here. You have to just be very careful, but it's very nice. And this is like you can walk. So many shops around. On the one side, on the other side.
As you see that behind me, the typical building is just like European style, maybe Dutch style. As you see, this is like the old heritage. Very nice.
Like we said once, loud bikes. It's Saturday morning and we are in the Pasar area. This is like a traditional market, but also old town of Denpasar.
Yeah.
It's Saturday morning, so like in Poland also my mom always go to the rynek, which is pasar, traditional market in Polish language. We also going at Saturday, right?
So yeah, this is how the city center in Denpasar. It's totally different in tourist places. There's some tourist places like Kuta Lanjat are quiet, but here, you know, the life is just normal.
And it's quite busy, I have to say. One more time, I want to show you how it looks, the main city, and the architecture here is actually quite interesting, especially as this looks very old. It's very nice. And wonder there's not many tourists coming to Denpasar to see how's the life over here. Here we have like textile shops. It's very nice actually, really nice.
So this is called Jalan Gajah Mada Denpasar. As you see, yeah, this area is also the center of textile. There are many shops, clothes, yeah, just something like that.
Something like that. Also you can buy the belt. Here many shops, like random shops. What you can find literally everything. And also in Denpasar city they have a transport like this horses, check this out. Not only on Gili Islands, Denpasar also have it.
So in this area in Jalan Gajah Mada, there are many shops like Chinese owned, Arab people owned. They are mixed here. The symbol like that, I strongly believe that it's Chinese owned.
Very nice. Is the feeling here a little bit like walking in the old town or Chinatown or somewhere? A little bit like a feeling like in Malaysia somewhere, in Kuala Lumpur or maybe in Singapore. It's really nice actually, really nice. Also here, textile. Quite busy junction. Also there is the traditional transport, Bemush. Very nice indeed, really nice. Also here they are.
Just like I told you, this is Jalan Sulawesi. It's famous for textile shop. So whenever you want to make a kebaya or sarong, this is the place. The heaven for fashion designer is
So many textiles. Any kind of textiles. Very nice.
very nice. This one. Oh, and look at this. Traditional batik. Bapak, ini berapaan?
150,
150.
2,5 meter.
2,5 meter. So this 150k, 2.5 meters. Very nice.
Very nice. Alright, we arrived to the market. As you can see, it's quite busy, and that's how it looks in the market.
So now we are in the Badung inside the market, and then I got the lady with me. As the tukang sun, you know, the lady that will bring my groceries. First, this one is the first floor where the meat and everything. As you see, they're selling meat everywhere. You see
The fresh meat.
like chicken, beef, you know, like fish. So that's here.
So that's like a poultry area.
So let's go up. We will go to the second floor because I need to buy fruit because in 3 more days is Galungan, so I need to shop for my mom's stuff. Okay, so now we are in the second floor. As you see, this is the center of fruits and veg. So I will buy veg.
Fruit and veg, as you can see, so beautiful. This is the jackfruit, by the way, not durian. That's how it looks. Nice. We will see. Sort of bananas. So Winnie already buying something. Oh, apples.
I bought another fruit.
Apple.
Apple. Here, so like this one.
Winnie's shopping. I'm gonna show you around. They have even full bunches of bananas just taken from the jungle, and that's how it looks. Multi-story of market. fresh goodies in Bali. So Winnie is buying now these apples, the small ones, green ones like this. That's the for offerings.
Well, actually, that I bring my shopping bag.
Also, Winnie have a shopping bag.
I bought a shopping bag here. Later on, I will put it here.
So please don't comment as we don't use the shopping bag, because last time was so many comments like this and makes Winnie so sad, actually, to be honest. And also,
The plastic bag is really hard to reduce, but I already spoke to the sellers about that. But you know what?
but you have the local traditions. I like it is. As the girl is also the example of local tradition.
Yeah, so this is the Ibu today. The lady helped me to bring my stuff, and then yeah.
I could carry the gear by myself, it's no problem. But if we don't gonna hire her, she will have no job and no nasi for tomorrow for her kids and stuff like this.
So she also helped me to choose the fruit, and then she also helped me to weigh.
She's like your insider guide, little bit, you know. Like an insider guide, I think it's the good name. She know everything here.
Bang yang, ampun aku plastik itu, bukan plastik itu kan yang
Yeah, so watermelon. Let's go. They also have murals to wash your hands. That's the new things due to the current condition in the world. One more view of the market. Now they have electric stairs. This is actually nice.
Berapa maksimal kilo yang ibu bisa jual? 50. She said 50 kilogram maximum.
50 on the head?
Oh my.
Oh my god. And also the veggie here. Very nice. Very nice indeed.
Sila.
Many kind of nice beautiful veggie. They even have a potato here, which is very nice. Potato. And over here is the area of the Balinese snack or Balinese desserts, however you call. So many nice, beautiful looking goodies.
So this one is a traditional snack. I also buy some traditional snack for my afternoon tea later on. This one is called betul. Bendu. I'll show you. Oh, this one is kopiwa. And this one bantal and nagasari. So many. Oh my god! And this one apam. So many traditional snacks. Oh, this one of my dadar gulung.
Also here is I think is the lady, how she carried the 3 big heavy things on her head. Dried fish.
This one is three, small dried fish.
Very nice. So many goodies here. Okay, so it's time to pack the stuff, our gears, to our lovely Jimny. And you just live here, honey. Okay, so we are after our shopping. By the way, it's already 9 o'clock or something, and it's already super hot.
It's time to go home. And then this is my shopping. I bought apples, watermelons, and then some of the stuff. It cost me around 150. And then I paid Ibu, the tukang sun, the lady who helped me for 200k today. I'm so happy that she helped me.
Yeah, this is also, I just want to say quickly, this is the tradition on this market. It's very nice of you if you hire her, and if you're gonna carry by yourself. If I'm gonna carry by myself, it's like a kind of disrespect for her. So before you're gonna comment something bad, just please to understand, we try to show you how it looks, the tradition in Bali.
And we help her, so she got money, for buying stuff for her family.
And normally local people could give her 10k or 20k for her that. We give her 200, so I think she's very happy with that, and we help her a lot. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.
Bye.